Good evening, students. Welcome back to my channel, Commerce Mane Shubro, and this is a video number 2. So here you must be seeing that there are in section B that there are 9 students who have got marks between 0 to 10. There are 5 students who have got marks from 10 to 20, 6 students from 10 to 30, and so on. So similar activity we are going to perform over here also, but how to do becomes the main question over here. So have a look that before undergoing this activity, there's a bin. So bin 9, 19, 29, 39, and not 40 and it's 50. The logic, the idea behind is that you must have learned in your earlier classes that a student, if he is getting marks 10, then he will not find himself in the interval 0 to 10. He will get himself in 10 to 20. Similarly, if a student is getting marks 20, he will not be there in 10 to 20. He will getting himself registered in 20 to 30, and so on. But what if a student is getting marks of 50? If he is getting 50, then he will be landing in the last one. Okay, then the last interval 40 to 50. So what is the idea, how we are going to proceed now? So first of all, select the entire blank rows, press equals frequency, simple, bracket open, select data array means the raw data over here, comma, followed by bin, and now the bin is 9 to 50, bracket closed. Press Control plus Shift plus Enter if you are working in an earlier version from 2007 to 2021. But if you are having to 2024 version, which fortunately I am having, then only press Enter. And here are the figures. I hope you will understand and you will enjoy it. Similar activity being performed over here also. So once again, have a look. I'm deleting all of them, and now once again selecting this one, entire blank rows equals frequency, bracket open, and then the marks. These are the marks, raw data, comma, bin 9 till 50, and then bracket close. Press Control Shift Enter, or only Enter if you are having 2024. So I'm having 2024 here as the result. Thank you all. I hope you must have enjoyed and you will continue to learn with these Excel small formulas, and see you soon in my next video. Thank you all. Have a nice day.